As the old proverb goes, money talks. And in the world of YouTube, money. You might be surprised to learn just how much some of your favorite YouTubers are making. From viral videos to sponsored content, YouTube has become a platform for content creators to not only share their passions, but also make a living from it. In the past 10 years, YouTube has grown to be the platform with the biggest revenue. Just a few years ago, people began to consider the site a trustworthy source for both knowledge and pleasure. People have also been considering YouTube as a very trustworthy source of money since the revenues of well-known prominent YouTubers were made public online. Additionally, in recent years, it has gained recognition as a legitimate profession globally. So in today's video, we are going to dive into the fascinating world of YouTube earnings and explore just how much YouTubers can make from their videos. Get ready to be amazed and maybe a little envious as we explore the world of YouTube finances. So, these are the top 10 YouTubers in 2023 in terms of earnings. So without wasting any time, let's jump into the list and check who's leading the money board. 10. Natasha. Introducing Natasha, a young person. Natasha, real name Anastasia Radzinskaya, has a YouTube account where she posts videos under various names including like Natasha Vlog, like Natasha Show, and Stacy. She is a Russian YouTuber and she earns $28 million from it. Natasha surely has a large fan base, and you can say by looking at her subscriber number of 73.6 million. 9. Logan Paul. In the YouTube sector, Logan Paul is one of the most well-known and important figures. He has amassed a large following on YouTube in recent years, and his WWE performances also helped him become well-known. He gained attention when he acquired Pokemon cards and set a Guinness World Record for a Pikachu card valued at almost $5.2 million. With that, he returned to YouTube and got the 9th spot of the highest paid YouTubers list with a net worth of around $18 million. 8. Preston Arsman. Preston Arsman, better known as Preston on YouTube, has been engrossing his audience with amazing vlogs and online gaming. Preston has 16 million subscribers and is the 8th highest paid YouTuber of 2023 with a net worth of $19 million. 7. Ryan Kaji. The kid, who is dominating now, has come down to the bottom as per Forbes. With $27 million, Ryan Kaji, also known as Ryan World, is one of the most well-known channels among children. His net worth will astound you based on his reviews of all the toys. He earned almost $29.5 million in 2021 according to the estimate and surpassed several other adult YouTubers. But he suffered a severe decline this year and with $27 million dropped to 7th on the list of the highest paid YouTubers. He has about 11.3 million subscribers, and his empire, which consists of toys, accessories, and digital videos, is where he makes the most of his money. 6. Unspeakable. Unspeakable is the channel to watch if you want to hear someone who can talk for hours about one of the most popular video games of all time, Minecraft. Nathan Johnson Graham knew his people from the beginning and hit the right spot. His 4 YouTube channels have an insane 20 million subscribers, and he publishes videos of himself playing games like Minecraft and other titles on those channels. He also made a wise decision when he decided to sell Spotter, his collections of YouTube videos, so he could use the proceeds to expand his company rather than wait for the videos to start generating ad revenue. According to Forbes, he has a net worth of about $28.5 million. 5. Rhett and Link. When the pair began their quest, they were hosting a daily talk show called Good Mystical Morning, but nobody noticed that these two nerdy guys had transformed their lives and built an empire. Their YouTube views and income were increased with amazing spin-offs and brand expansions. One of the best efforts was the cookery show Mythical Kitchen, which had a different host named Josh Scherer. Everything that puts them in 4th place on the list is based on their net worth $30 million, and it's growing just like their content. 4. Markiplier. Markiplier took 3rd place on the list of 2023 highest paid YouTubers. Mark Edward Fishbach controls this channel. He's a gamer commentator, actor, podcast host, and comedian. That's what he does on his YouTube channel basically with his 29.2 million subscribers. His total views are about 15.7 million and his net worth is $38 million. 3. Jake Paul. Jake Paul is a popular YouTuber known for his vlogs, pranks, and other content. He has over 20 million subscribers on his YouTube channel, making him one of the platform's most successful creators. But perhaps what's most impressive about Jake Paul is his earnings. According to Forbes, Jake Paul earned an estimated $17 million in 2018 from his YouTube channel alone. This made him the second highest paid YouTuber that year, behind only Ryan Kaji. However, he currently has a net worth of $40 million. Jake Paul's earnings come from a variety of sources, including advertising revenue from his YouTube videos, sponsorships, merchandise sales, and live events. He has also launched his talent agency Team 10, which represents other YouTube creators and helps them monetize their content. Some people have criticized Jake Paul's content as being lowbrow and immature, but there's no denying that he has a talent for creating content that resonates with his audience. And his earnings are a testament to the power of YouTube as a platform for creators to build their brands and monetize their content. 2. Dude Perfect. Dude Perfect stands in second place. These guys do insane trick shots consisting of a team of Tyler Toney, Garrett Hilbert, Cody Jones, Corey Cotton, Kobe Cotton, and Panda. The group used to upload videos daily challenging each other with unique sports rules and faces. Their net worth recently went down about $20 million and they have 56.1 million subscribers on board. As of February 2023, Dude Perfect's net worth is estimated to be roughly $50 million and currently they have over 5 billion viewers. 1. Mr. Beast. Mr. Beast legit moved up the success ladder from last year's second place to the top spot as the highest paid YouTuber in the world in 2023. Jimmy Donaldson, better known as Mr. Beast, has altered what it means to create material for YouTube through the tireless efforts and labor he has put into his productions. His estimated net worth of $54 million is beyond ridiculous. Are you curious about his channel's activities? He is known for being one of the first to introduce expensive stunts to the YouTube community. He once gave away huge sums of cash and prizes. For instance, in December 2018, he donated goods to homeless shelters totaling $100,000. He was going viral in 2017 when his counting to 100,000 videos got tens of thousands of views in just a couple of days. He currently has 103 million subscribers and 13.4 billion views. He most recently topped the list of 100 million subscribers as well. He created a Squid Game video that ultimately went viral and captured everyone's attention, which helped him gain an additional impressive reputation. These YouTubers undoubtedly put a lot of time, effort, and resources into making amazing content for their online fans. Most importantly, they receive love and support from their followers in return. Alright guys, that wraps up our video for today. If you enjoyed watching these, give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more.